I don't know.
You don't know? Now, you often say that you're not a midwife. You are a midwife?
A midwife.
And you've been working in nursing since the beginning, right? 10 years?
No, not. Mercy started 1996. By registration, I saw that it's 1996. But I joined Mercy just because of the director was looking for a translator. Yeah.
And you had the best English?
No. When my friend said that someone is looking for a translator, I said, "Could I do that?" And she said, "Yeah." He says, "Yeah." They said, "Yes, you can do that because you translated for us." Before I joined with Mercy, I was volunteering with one as a translator, also helping translating with the missionaries to communicate with people to help people. So I think that is why my qualification.
Well, that's a good one. I didn't know nearly as much Brazilian as But, so when did you start catching babies?
I did the translation. I actually translated I was asked to translate a book which we use for Bible study. It was called Pastoral Booklets, Pastoral Training Booklets, and it was in English. And Matt has the vision that it could be used in church planting. So that's why we wanted the book translated, and it was actually used for church planting. Actually, Philippine Challenge was doing the production in that mass production, and they actually did some seminars on how to use that. And the translation was it took me more than 2 years. So after that, I joined Catching Babies, but before I joined Catching Babies, during the course of translation, because there are only few midwives before, and they're doing 24 hours a duty. Yeah. So when they need help, they will call me like charting. Yeah. At first, they will call me for like interview because prenatal before was done once a week, just Friday. Yeah. And during those times, everyone will help doing interview because there are like hundreds of babies coming in. So that's how I came to help with the clinic, aside from translation. And later on, I get interested just watching how the baby is born. So yeah, and then later on, they would ask me to do charting, taught me how, and then later on, when there is emergency, I was the first one to come down. But then when the midwife that needs help would starts to relate what is happening, and then when they see me, oh, they will just stop talking because it's not the right person.
They can't get you excited about the problem.
No, because I don't know what should be done.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it was funny because every time there was emergency, I would be the one to first get there.
So how many babies have you caught by now?
I really don't know.
You know?
I tried to track it down, but it's just my mind is just the one's very active on remembering, trying to track it down, but then I couldn't do it.
It would be
I
hard
think-
here if you didn't keep track to go through all the files.
Yeah, I know I have some, but it's not really vast. Yeah, because if there are interns or students that will come, I just give paper them because they need numbers,
You don't
and
need
I don't need it.
What's your favorite part about birth? What do you find most interesting or enjoyable? Just the sweetness of the little babies? Or... Have this on you.
Oh, I didn't know. Maybe it's yeah.
No. So your favorite part of
You know when the head is was there, and it, it's just amazing when we're just looking at that small orifice there, that small opening there, and then there was this big head coming out. Yeah, just the wonder of how God is really amazing. Yeah, yeah.
I like when restitution happens.
Yeah, I'm always amazed when the head is already coming just like that big, and then it slowly come out until it restitutes, and then it comes out. That's the exciting part of birth I like.
So, how do you like having all the foreign students here? Is that enjoyable? I guess you've always worked in English translation in between the cultures, Filipino and...
I think for now it's not very much anymore because there's lots already doing it. Unlike before, because I was the one doing translation, so it's like, oh, they would just always call me Elsa would translate. But later on, it's like I think others could do it also.
Yeah, most of the Midwest speak English very well, and then all of the students end up learning some science,
Mm.
and some very well, but sort of well.
Well, yeah. I'm just amazed, especially with these new students, with this new group, because when I first uh, saw them in group coming into the clinic, it's like they have their phrases already. They have their Visayan phrases already, like sentences that's commonly used in the birth room. So it's good.